Hello friends, welcome to a new video on my channel. I'm Smita Katti. I blog at smilingcolors.com and you can find me on Instagram as The Shiny Nest. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this month's Tombow's VIP Club box. This box is available for purchase on Friday morning, 8:30 a.m. EST. This box is jam-packed with items, I know that for sure. I haven't seen what's inside, so it's going to be fun seeing everything together with you. The first thing I want to let you all know is that this VIP Club box is no longer a subscription. So if you like all the items that you see in today's unboxing, I would recommend that you just go and hurry and buy the box for this month. I've been talking to my design team members of Tombow, and the products included in this month's box is worth $60 and it's going to be on sale for $30, so it'll probably sell out very soon. So let's just quickly open the box and see whatever's in it. I love the packaging always. So on the back of the sheet, it tells you what all is included and it gives you a little ideas on how you can use it. So the first thing is a little pouch. Oh, this is so cute. It says Tombow and it's pretty wide. I'm pretty sure you can fit your Tombow jewel brush pens. I have one on my desk. So it easily fits in there. Oh, and there's a lot of space as well. So the first thing is a pencil pouch or a pen pouch. I'm pretty sure this is not sold anywhere else. Next are these mono edge dual tip highlighters. This is new. I've never seen these before. They evidently have a 0.8 mm marker tip and a 3.8 mm chisel tip. So let's see how they work. So this is how the tip looks. It's a nice chisel tip. It's a highlighter. You can highlight with it. I'm sure you can do chisel edge lettering with it. So I'm sure if I practice a little more. Okay, so these highlighters come in 6 colors. These are, I think, exclusive to the box. So the VIP boxes always have one product that is not available already in the US. So this is probably their exclusive product for this. This has a nice neon color to it. Green. So the other tip is a marker tip. Pink. Orange. Oh, the yellow is beautiful. Yellow. So this is how the other tip looks, just a 0.8 mm marker. Blue. And purple. So next are the Furunosuke pens. These are the calligraphy brush pens. This is a set of 3 pens. They have the hard tip, the soft tip, and the twin tip. The twin tip has a gray and a black, and that one's actually pretty hard to find in market. Okay, so let me quickly show you which is which. This is the soft. So these are brush pens as well. So the tip is a brush pen tip, but it's a smaller brush pen, unlike the dual brush pens. The dual brush pens have a bigger tip. The dual brush pens have a bigger brush tip. These have a smaller tip, but they're a brush tip still. So you can have thicker downstrokes and thinner upstrokes. That was the soft pen. This is the Furunosuke hard tip. So the hard, you just have to apply a little more pressure. But because the tip is hard, you get much thinner upstrokes. This is the twin tip pen. So this has 2 tips, unlike the Furunosuke. This has 2 tips, and both the tips are brush pens. One side, on this side, you have a black tip, and on this side, you have a gray tip. So with the black tip, you can do brush calligraphy with the gray tip. You can also do brush calligraphy. And the gray is actually really nice to add shadows to your brush lettering and add more dimension to it. Next in the box, there are 2 more items. There is a color pencil set, and I don't know if this is a pen or it's a mechanical pencil, a 0.5mm mechanical pencil. This is really soft, very nice cushion grip, and a very nice pencil. I'm going to have to hide this from my husband. Ooh. Okay, the last item is a set of Arageton color pencils. This is the Tranquil set. So these are the colors that you see here. I have many of these on my desk already, and I've used these in previous videos. This set actually comes with 12 colored pencils, a sand eraser, and a sharpener included. The pencil has a really hard, dense lead. The colors are really beautiful, of course. You can get sharp lines, and you can see how rich the color is. With this sand eraser, you can actually erase the colored pencil. You see that? And this is a really nice technique if you're drawing flowers or something, to just add in highlights. The sand eraser can actually erase crayons, black pen, a lot of things, and that's one of the handiest tools to have in your art set. So here's a really quick recap. In today's box, there is a set of 12 Arageton color pencils. There's also a set of 6 highlighters. These are unique and these are exclusive to the box. There's the mechanical pencil. This is a all-no mechanical pencil. Also included are 3 Furunosuke pens, the soft tip, the hard tip, and the twin tip. Along with it, you also get this absolutely adorable little pouch. I'm actually going to put everything into the pouch because I love having little pencil cases. Perfect to carry them around while traveling. So that is the review for today. Like I said before, these will probably sell out quickly, so make sure you hurry and grab a set for yourself if you're interested. I'll be back soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!